Yo, what's up guys? Rocky Resale here, and today I'm bringing you guys another shoe review. Today we got a very special shoe review. We got the Kith Air Force 1 Hawaii's, and man, does this shoe look so good. I am so happy to finally have this shoe in hand. As soon as I seen the release on this, I knew this was going to be a shoe I had to have. The details on it are absolutely crazy. But we're about to jump into that right now. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. Yo guys, so we're just going to hop right into the review. I already showed you guys a little bit of the shoe already, but this is a size 10 Kith Hawaii Air Force 1 with the blue accents on it, blue details. I just absolutely love this shoe. We'll go ahead and give you a look around. Got the Kith Nike Air on the back. Has the blue inside details. It's like a suede or nubuck. And then here on the front, you can see the Kith Island Hawaii logo on the tongue. And the shoe was actually copped in Hawaii. That was the only place you could get it. So this is a Hawaii exclusive, only in Honolulu, Hawaii, at the Kith flagship store. So you could only cop this if you was in Hawaii that day. I actually got lucky and found a guy at the sneaker con that was, him and his wife had just found these pairs. So I ended up buying the size 10 off of them. Got the receipt and everything right here. Marked out all the information from the person who actually bought it. And you can see on here, Air Force 1 low, Kith, Blue Lagoon for $130. I ended up scooping this shoe for around $600, but I definitely think it's one that was worth it. It's going to go in my collection for a little bit. And you can see up close the Kith that's indented on the side of the panel of the Air Force 1. These have the yellow bottoms. I love the yellow bottoms on shoes. Then go to the inside. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the shoe in the comments below. Let me know if you would rock this pair, hold it for a little while, or just go ahead and flip it if you ended up copping for the $130. But also, copping the shoe was very, very hard. I watched a video of people that was standing in line. Thousands and thousands of people was in line that night, but I'm glad I was able to get this pair in my hand. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you enjoyed that little B-roll of the close-ups of the Hawaii Kith Air Force 1. I hope you guys enjoyed the review of the shoe. I haven't seen many reviews online of this one, so I just wanted to go ahead and get it put out there. But as always, make sure to like, subscribe, check out the Instagram, Rocky Resale. That's where I sell all my shoes. That's where you can catch pictures of these before I post reviews. But yeah guys, hope you have a great day. Make sure to stay positive, stay happy, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.